Does my hair look crazy like this? I can't even tell. So I applied like, hello everyone. So today I am going to be showing you some new products that I literally just bought, and I'm going to be testing them out for you and kind of sharing my thoughts about them. So these are all drugstore products. I just went to CVS, picked up some things, and I actually really like a lot of these products. I'm wearing them all right now, but yeah, let's just get straight on to the video and I'll show you guys some of these great drugstore products that I just got. So the first one I got was a blush. I've been needing a blush, so I picked up a NYX blush. And this one it says baked blush plus illuminator plus bronzer. So this really stood out to me because I thought that was cool, because I'm not like a big blush person. I just want like a subtle kind of glow and color to my skin. So this one is in Wanderlust. So this is what it looks like. It looks more pink in this light, but it's kind of like a coral. It's more of like a coral pink. But it's a really pretty color and it has some shimmer to it. Not too much, just enough. So I'll kind of show you guys on my finger. So it looks like that, and it's just very subtle. I put some on my cheeks, and it was nice because sometimes when you dip into a blush and apply it to your cheeks, it just comes off way too much. It's just like way too much pigment, and this was nice because it was just very subtle, and I just kind of kept adding more and more, and it didn't give off too much pigment. It just looked very nice, very subtle and natural, and I really liked that about it. So yeah, I will definitely be using this a lot just because of how natural it is and how it just gives a nice glow to the cheeks. I thought that was really nice. Like I said, I just applied these right now, so all of my boxes are already open, but I usually pick up the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, but they didn't have that at my CVS, so I ended up picking up another eyebrow product from them. So this is the Brow Contour Sculpt and Highlight, and this one's cool because not only does it have the brow pencil, but it also has a highlight end so that I can highlight under my brows, which makes it so much easier to highlight. And I do think it looks really great. It looks so much cleaner. So I do like this a lot. So this one, I got this one in taupe and vanilla. So taupe shade and then vanilla highlight. And this was really nice. It was like a gel. It's like a gel consistency. It just like took so much less time to do my brows, and I felt like it was so much easier. So I actually think I might start getting this instead of the micro brow pencil. Okay, moving on. So I haven't been very into eyeliner lately. I don't know what it is. I think it's just the harshness of the black, and brown just hasn't been there for me. I feel like brown's just like not dark enough. So I decided to go with a blue because I know I used to use blue eyeliner sometimes, and I really liked how it kind of complemented my eyes because I have blue eyes and the blue eyeliner. I don't know, I just thought it kind of looked softer and it looked nice. So I decided to pick up a blue liner, and this one's very dark blue, so I didn't want to be like noticeably blue. I just want to be kind of like a different, like close to black, but just not black, if that makes any sense at all. Anyway, I decided to just get myself a blue eyeliner, and this one is the NYX Fox Blacks eyeliner in Midnight. It's just like this midnight blue color. It's really pretty. So that's what it looks like. And it's just like, it's not too dark, but it's not too light. I feel like that was a really nice color. So I just applied that right on the top, and I think it's really pretty. I like it. Like I said, it's not that noticeable, but it's just like a little hint of blue, and I just like how that looks. Okay, so then I got some products from e.l.f. So I got a lip exfoliator from e.l.f. and this one's just in the shade Clear. Just I have like a lip scrub from Lush, but it's just kind of difficult because it gets everywhere, and I thought this was cool because it's like a lipstick. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I already kind of like messed it up because I used it, but yeah, it's really cool. It just has like exfoliating beads in it, and you just kind of like rub it in circular motions on your lips. It doesn't smell very good, but I mean, it works really nicely. You just keep scrubbing your lips, it gets all the dead skin off. My lips felt like baby's bum after using this. So not only does it like exfoliate your lips, but it also like moisturizes them too, which is nice. So yeah, I just use that before applying my lipstick, and I feel like my lips like look so much softer than normal. It just made my lipstick like apply so much easier, and I just feel like my lips are so like luscious. They just like feel so soft. Then I got another lip product from e.l.f. and this is the lip primer and plumper. Sorry about my dog barking. So I thought this was really cool because I never heard of a lip primer, and plus actually what really intrigued me was the plumper. I was like, yes, love that. We all love plump lips. But then I saw a lip primer and I thought that was really cool. So the thing about the primer is like it came off super white, like it was basically like putting concealer on your lips. So I know it's like not a cute look, but I actually did kind of like it because it kind of took all the color out of my lips, which was a good base for putting on lip color, because it really kind of made the lip color stand out more. So I kind of like that, and plus like it's not like putting concealer on your lips, because putting like concealer and foundation on your lips just kind of like dries your lips out, and I didn't feel like this was very drying. So I kind of liked that. Like I kind of liked how it just kind of took all the color out of my lips, and then so I could really let the my lip stick like really kind of like shine through. I don't know how many people would like that, but I kind of liked it. And then the lip plumper was nice because it smells like cinnamon. So it did kind of make my lips feel a little bit tingly, and it hydrated my lips too, which is nice. So I really like the lip plumper. And both of those products, like both the lip exfoliator and the lip primer and plumper, were really great bases for applying my lipstick. So then I applied my lip liner, and then I also got a new lipstick that I used. So this one's from Maybelline, and I got this in 050 Baddest Beige. Like it's just like perfect like nude pink, and it's not like matte either, so it looks very like hydrating, like a balm almost. I have that on right now, and girl, I am obsessed with this. Like this is gonna be my new go-to. It feels so hydrating on my lips. It kind of gives it like this really pretty sheen. I didn't feel like I need to use anything with it. It's just like it's just so pretty. I love this. This is definitely gonna be my new go-to lipstick. This has been a very exciting CVS trip for me because I really like all these products, and I'm definitely going to be including these products in my daily routine. So I'm excited about this. So I almost forgot to talk about the lashes I got. So I've never heard of this brand before, but it's called Andrea lashes, and it just looks like this. And so these are the 91 maximum curl multi-layer lashes. And what stood out to these is kind of like how they're kind of in clumps. And what I've been wanting lately are lashes that look like, okay, I don't know if this is weird, but I really like the look of like eyelash extensions when they like need to be redone. I actually like that look. Just like, I don't know, I just like the messiness of it. So I've been wanting lashes that kind of look like eyelash extensions, because I don't actually want to get eyelash extensions, but I want lashes that kind of look like eyelash extensions. So what I did is I've been liking cutting my eyelashes and just applying them on the ends lately, and I thought this would kind of give it a very like messy look. Kind of like I have eyelash extensions, but some of them are falling out. I don't know why I like that look. But yeah, and I felt like I kind of achieved that. So I just applied the lashes and I put some mascara over it. I feel like they're really cute. I kind of cut them a little bit just to make sure they blended in with my lashes. And yeah, so I felt like it achieved that look very well. I don't think I would really like them if I use like the full lash. I think it was just like, that would be like a little bit too much for me. But I do like the way it looks when I cut them and put them on the ends. So I got this leave-in spray by the brand Hask. So it looks like this. And it says Argan Oil from Morocco, 5-in-1 leave-in spray. And it says it conditions and detangles, and it doesn't have any sulfates or parabens, which is good because we don't want that. And yeah, so it says, so 5-in-1, it says it conditions and detangles, it adds shine, repairs and controls frizz, provides thermal protection, and moisturizes. Well, yeah, that was right. Moisturizes to prevent breakage. So, of course, I haven't tried this out, but it looks nice. It was a pretty good price, like $8. And yeah, so I'll have to try this out and let you guys know what I think about it. Yeah, so those were all the products that I picked up from CVS. I'm really happy about the CVS trip because I really like a lot of these products, and I hope this helped you guys. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give this video a like, a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. And yes, I will catch you guys next time.